Good afternoon, students. So today we see a nonlinear equation of the form z is equal to px plus qy plus f of pq. So here in this case what we assume that let z is equal to ax plus by plus f of ab is equal to 0. Okay, now here we substitute p is equal to a and b is equal to q. That's all. Okay, and we get the solution. So here for example 1, solve z is equal to px plus qy plus square root of 1 plus p square plus q square. So this is one small example. Okay, so here the problem is what? Z is equal to px plus qy plus square root of 1 plus p square plus q square. Now see here the given problem already it is in the standard form, that is px plus qy plus f of pq. Okay, it is already in the standard form. So in this case the solution is very easy. So what we have to do, just replace p by a and q by b. Okay, so put p is equal to a and q is equal to b in the given equation, that is this equation. So then we get z is equal to ax plus by plus square root of 1 plus a square plus b square. Now see here, so everywhere p is replaced by a, q is replaced by b. Here p is replaced by a and q is replaced by b. So this is the complete solution of the given problem. Okay, so if the given problem already it is in the standard form, then the solution is very easy. Okay, suppose that if the solution is, if the given problem it is not in a standard form, then we have to reduce that equation into a standard equation by making some substitutions. So here example 2, solve 4xyz is equal to pq plus 2p x square y plus 2p, so 2q xy square. Now this problem it is not in the standard form, so we make the substitution. Let x square equal to capital X and y square equal to capital Y. Then we find small p, so small p is dou z by dou x, which is equal to dou z by dou capital X into dou capital X by dou small x, which is equal to, now this dou x by dou x, so now this is differentiate this with respect to x, which gives 2x. So dou x by dou x is 2x, dou z by dou x as it is. And we have to find q is equal to dou z by dou y, so which is same as dou z by dou capital Y into dou capital Y by dou y by applying the chain rule, so which is equal to 2y. So here y is given as capital Y is equal to small y square. Differentiate this, will get dou y by dou y as 2y. So here 2y, then dou z by dou y as it is. Substitute all this in the given equation here. Okay, and we simplify this and we get this equation. And here you should replace p as dou z by dou capital X and q as dou z by dou capital Y, and we obtain this equation z is equal to p capital X plus q capital Y plus pq. Now this is a standard form of this form. This is px plus qy plus f of pq. So this is a standard form. Now here we write the solution as z is equal to ax plus by plus ab, means we replace capital P by a, capital Q by b, and we obtain this equation. Now resubstitute the value of capital X and capital Y. What is capital X actually? So capital X is small x square, capital Y is small y square. So here you should replace capital X by small x square and capital Y by small y square, and this gives the complete solution of the given equation. Okay, so this is how we solve with this equation. It is of the form z is equal to px plus qy plus f of pq equal to f of pq. Okay, so this is second form of the nonlinear equation. Next we have another form we have, that is f of z pq equal to 0. Now equations of the form f of z pq equal to 0. Oh, this is another third form. Here what we do, we assume that let the solution be z is equal to phi of x plus ay. Okay, or you can assume that it is phi of u, where x plus ay is equal to u. So where u is x plus ay. Okay, be the trial solution. Next we find p dou z by dou x, which is z is phi of x plus y. So differentiate this z, so you will get phi dash of x plus ay, which is equal to phi dash of u, and it is same as dz by du. Okay, this is nothing but dz by du. Let it be dz by du. In the same way, we find dz by dy, which is equal to phi dash of x plus ay, means differentiating with respect to y. So here you will get a, because after differentiating this you will get a. So this is equal to a into phi dash of u, or the same as a into dz by du. Dz by du. Okay, so now this will get p and q. Now substitute this value in this equation and eliminate. We will get this complete solution. Okay, so now we see some example on this. For solve z square into p square plus q square plus 1 equal to a square. Now it is of the form f of z p q equal to 0. So here we assume that let u is equal to x plus by. Then p is equal to dz by du and q is equal to b into dz by du. So this is fixed. Now substitute this p as dz by du and q as b into dz by du in the above equation, and we get this type of equation. Okay, and then taking z square and 1 plus b square common, and you will get this equation. Then separating all these equation, so we obtain this equation, plus or minus root of b square is equal to du. Next, integrating both the sides, we obtain this equation. Okay, so after integration, whatever the equation will get, this is the solution of the given differential equation. And similarly, this fourth one is also in the same way. We find solve z square into p square x square plus q square equal to 1. Now it is not in the standard form because x is multiplied here. Okay, f of z p q, it should be in the form of f of z p q, but here x is an extra term which is containing. So now this is not in a standard form. So for that we make the substitution. So this equation can be written as z square, means p, write the p value. P is nothing but dz by dou x. So x dou z by dou x whole square. Similarly, plus q means dou z by dou y. So replace that, dou z whole square equal to 1. Now here we make the substitution capital X equal to log x. So that dou z by dou x is dou z by dou capital X into dou x by dou u, dou x, and after replacing all this, we get x into dou z by dou x is equal to dou z by dou capital X. And substitute all these quantities in this equation, we get this equation. Then taking z square into p square plus q square equal to 1. Next, let u is equal to x plus ay be the solution. Then replace p is equal to dou z by dou u and q is equal to a into dz by du. After bringing this in the standard form, now this is actually what we have done. This is not in a standard form. To bring this in a standard form, we make this substitution capital X equal to log x, and then we apply these techniques and we substitute in this equation, and finally we obtain this equation. So here this is of the form z square into p square plus q square equal to 1, means this is in a standard form now, because here x was appearing, but here x disappears. So therefore this is in a standard form. Now we apply the method. So u is equal to x plus ay, then p is dz by du and q is equal to a into dz by du, and substitute all this in this equation, we get this equation. Then you take some z square into dou z by dou u whole square common, you will get this equation, and simplify this and integrate, so you will get this final equation, so which is the required solution of the given equation. Okay, so in the next class we solve some more problems on this, and with this I conclude this class. Thank you.